How does rain affect the calculation of run rate? Have you ever wondered how rain impacts the way we calculate run rate in cricket? It might seem straightforward, but rain can really change the game. Let's break it down. In cricket, the run rate is a key statistic that shows how fast a team scores runs. It is calculated by dividing the total runs scored by the total overs faced. However, when rain interrupts a match, the number of overs available to each team often gets reduced. This has a big effect on how we calculate the run rate. First, when rain causes a delay, the total overs faced are adjusted. For example, if a team scores 150 runs in 20 overs, their run rate is calculated as 150 divided by 20, not 50. This means the run rate reflects their scoring speed in the shortened innings. Next, there is a method called Duckworth-Lewis-Stern that comes into play during rain interruptions in limited overs matches. This method helps set revised targets and adjust overs based on the rain delay. The target runs are recalculated, which also affects the run rate since the innings length has changed. Another point to consider is when a team gets bowled out before finishing their allotted overs. In such cases, the run rate calculation assumes the full quota of overs for the team that bowled them out. This rule becomes even more important when rain reduces the number of overs, ensuring fairness in the net run rate calculations. Rain-affected matches can also influence tournament standings significantly. Net run rate is often used as a tiebreaker. The run rate is calculated using the actual overs played, but if a team is bowled out, the full quota of overs, adjusted for rain, is considered for the opposing team's bowling overs. This helps maintain consistency when comparing performances across matches of different lengths. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a 50-over match is cut down to 30 overs due to rain. If Team A scores 180 runs in those 30 overs, their run rate is 6 runs per over. If Team B is bowled out in 28 overs for 170 runs, for net run rate purposes, Team B is treated as if they face the full 30 overs. This standardization affects the net run rate calculation and allows for fair comparisons. In summary, rain impacts the calculation of run rate by changing the number of overs used in the denominator. Adjustments are necessary to keep things fair and accurate. The run rate after rain interruptions shows the scoring pace in the shortened innings, while net run rate calculations take these changes into account to ensure consistent evaluation of team performance.